Well, today we're gonna be washing up the Recaros and the BZ. Zoom out. Oh. Yeah. This is the first time this car get washed since I had it. Oh shit. The cancer. They just lay out the first layer of cancer. What you saying now? What? You come into my... I'm gonna shampoo up now. Come on man, kick in. Barely. I need soap, blood. I don't have any more, blood.
Fresh like water, me roll out clean as my heart. Touch on the beach, girl I scream and I talk. Over 36 BB pins on me and kill me and angle the car. Clean up. Every day I make clean. I don't know where I make clean. Clean up. Every day I make clean. I don't know where I make clean.
Alright, this is the engine before. Wait till I get through this and I'm gonna see the after. Alright, so just washed up the bay. Don't look too bad. I ain't got no product to make it shine or nothing like that. No tire shine, no car cleaner, nothing, bro. But better than nothing, bro. Just where we at.
Clean up. Every day I make clean.
The guys think about kicking. Never gonna do that. Never gonna do that.
Yo, I will eat the sandwich now. You need to get famous. But I'll go drink sink water.
I want to know you're not lying about what's aside. I get the money, you get the girl.
Shut up, man. Get on that damn off, man.
On the food, brother. Don't on the food. Brother, go drink the water out there, brother.
Getting them going. Look at them.
But this guy, no, not the one with the Stella car, the one I bought the last Civic I had. Yeah, don't cut the roof off. She about to leave. Yeah, fam. She slam out, boy. Yeah. And there she goes. Productive day, not true, Shelwyn. Receipt, yeah. All the junk that came out of there. Next project now. Alright, so yeah, let's talk about the 4-door. A bunch of people were hitting me up. One of my brethren came link me. He said, yo fam, I have this and this amount and I would take the car right now. I can't do that. If I do that, I gonna sell it to you without the rims and without me doing the rest of that work. He said no problem. Like 10:30 in the night, you know, they came test drive this car. Same time I went back inside. So this all in here. Going to my front door, man out there. Water cash in his hand. Oh, they get the receipt book. Sign off. See, my boy going with the car. Whoa, what can I say, yo? I saw it to everybody else that hit me up, but the man paid me almost the amount that I was looking for the car full finished, like with rims and sprayed and all that. So I would have to spend like 300 on rims anyway, and then to buy all the stuff to service it and, you know, paint and stuff like that. So I just made him go with it. In the end, I ended up saving money. And I made money. I basically made double the profit in what, less than 2 weeks. Yeah, the move is on to the next car. Be easy, you don't know. We out.